Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of March 13th, 2012. As always, the charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software. First chart we'll look at is a weekly bond chart, and it looks like we might be finally seeing a little breakdown here. Bonds have opened the week and stopped right around just above 141 even there, where the resistance was, and they've broken down and taken out lows of the last several months, actually. Now, we've been talking about how this looked like distribution and this looked like a breakdown, and it certainly could be. But we do still have previous swing lows here. I believe that's 138.11 if I remember correctly. And of course, we've got a low all the way down here at 133.19. There's no guarantee that they're actually going down that low or down to the lower Keltner channel here. They could just turn back up. I mean, this has happened on a Fed day. I don't think it happened in reaction to a Fed statement, but it did happen on a Fed day. So it's possible that that'll turn right back around and just look like a false break. I kind of doubt it though. I think it's real. I just don't think they'll plummet down here. I think there's still other support that could hold them, but it does look like a breakdown, and Lord knows they've been high long enough. It's possible they could turn back up, but I kind of doubt it. I think the breakdown looks real, and if they continue down for the rest of the week, we can be pretty sure that there may be a little more downside to follow. Stocks have just the opposite thing. They've been on this little slow escalator up, and they've broken out to the upside here. Unless they turn and come right down back below 1370, you'd have to assume 1400 is their next target. And gosh, the next swing they have on the chart goes all the way back to I think it's a 2007 high at 1538. So there's plenty of room for them to go. The one caution I will say is there's been very little volatility on this entire move up since last December, and they're starting to show an increase of volatility. Now, volatility tends to pick up at tops. So they may be in the process of making a top. However, it wouldn't surprise me if it takes them a few months to make that top. I mean, anywhere from April through July, even, could still be how they terminate this if they do. If they do break back down, we've got support at 1357 and then 1340, but this looks like a legitimate upside breakout. Again, with the proviso, they did it on Fed Day, and they often reverse Fed Day the next day. But this is a rather unusual situation because I think the break occurred because of the Fed stress test of banks report being fairly good. I don't think they did this because of anything that the FOMC meeting statement said. So that's what we're looking at today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into this week. Thanks for checking in with us, and let's see if they've rock and rolled up to next week.